Let's make Myers Rum Planter Punch. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make Myers Rum Planter Punch. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. My wife sure does. One of the things I really like about making the recipe from the Myers Rum website is that their names are very simple. Myers Rum Planter's Punch. It is a Planter's Punch made with Myers Rum. No fancy name needed. One thing I dislike about making recipes from the Myers Rum website is that they use the term parts sporadically. And this is one of those recipes. They've got parts for some ingredients, but real measurements for other ingredients, and that mix doesn't always work well. Because if a part is a milliliter, a dash of bitters is going to be huge, but if your part is a cup, then a dash of bitters is going to be really small. I wish they'd be a little bit more consistent, and for the sake of argument, I'm just going to use ounces where they say parts. A note on the rum. If you're going to make the Myers Rum Planter Punch, you really have to use Myers Original Dark Rum. If you want to use another rum, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the Myers Rum Planter's Punch. This drink has a couple of steps. The first thing we're going to do is shake some of our ingredients. In fact, all of our ingredients. So I'm going to take 3 parts of the rum, 3 ounces, 90 milliliters, and put that into my shaker. Two parts, 2 ounces of simple syrup. And here I'm assuming 1-to-1 simple syrup. I'm using white. I often use raw cane. Use whichever one you like. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, 1 part. 1 ounce or 1 part, 30 milliliters. And 1 dash of bitters. They don't specify the type. I'm using Angostura. For some reason I think I should do 2, but 1 is the recipe. Add your ice and give it a shake. Drink shaken. I'm going to set it aside. Well, for now. I'm going to get some more ice and I'm going to crush it. I'll be right back with you. Ice crushed. It does say to fill your glass with crushed ice. We've got 6 ounces of fluid going into an 8-ounce glass. I'm going to fill about halfway for now. That's about halfway. I'm going to strain my drink into there. Oh. And that was perfect. Garnish. The garnish is an orange slice. My orange slices tend to be much bigger than my Collins glass, so I'm not going to put it on the edge. Instead, I'm going to try and sneak it down the edge. Like that. And that's it. Well, straw. Let's put a straw in there. Now that's it. Myers Rum Planter Punch. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. What is a part? How big is a part? Somebody tell me how big a part is. Please, somebody please, so I can stop asking this question. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available, like this one. If you want one of these t-shirts, feel free to contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get one. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow me or subscribe or whatever people do on those things. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything I do. And until next time, cheers.